my channel. Hope you all are doing well. My name is Krutika Ziman and I am back again with a cute DIY ear tease. You can see this beautiful macrame leaf earrings which is super easy to make and super cute to make your outfit 2 into double cute. So let's begin. First thing we need is this earring hook you can see here. Then again I have this macrame which I used in my previous video. So this was like this 4 mm ka macrame. So I wanted it to be thin like this. So what I did, removed the strands from it like this. You can see here, I removed it like this. So the length of this macrame strand is about 10 to 12 centimeter and it depends upon the size of your earrings how much bigger you want it. So let's start. So what I'm gonna do is take the earring loop, here you can see hook, and I'm gonna put some fabric glue on the edges here so that it gets stiffened and the edges won't get messy. And now through this small loop I will put it like this, and here is the first step done. Now after doing our first step, what you have to do is take a strand, fold it in half, place it below the hook strand like this. Again take another one, fold it in half, and this will go on the front. Now remove the endings of the niche wala loop from this loop we created and put this ending जो ऊपर के पार्ट का है into the below wala loop which we created like this. It will go down and this will come up and it will be like this. So here we have to create a knot like this. Now you can push it upwards like this. Now you have to keep repeating the steps on alternate basis. Like first we had put the strand below of left side. Now we will put the strand below of right side like this. Here we have created a loop. Again taking second strand, creating a loop. I will remove the endings from this loop and put this endings on the in between this loop, and again pull it and keep it tighter. Now we have to repeat this step 20 times. So we are done completing 20 strands. What you have to do is take a comb and start brushing it like this on both the sides. Now we'll take the first strand and try to cut it. Start by cutting slowly first because we don't want it. So I will cut it like this. Doing same from the second side. And you can keep this and cut the extra threads. Now let's And here our beautiful earrings are ready, and they are so cute and very easy to make.